starting off this hour with a top focus on what's taking place in Pakistan. Ex-Pakistan Prime Minister and Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf chief Imran Khan now in Supreme Court custody. This comes after the top court declared his arrest in the Al-Qadir Trust case illegal. The Pakistan Supreme Court condemned the arrest of Imran Khan inside the court premises by the National Accountability Bureau and called it a contempt of court. He is slated to be produced before the Islamabad High Court at 11 a.m. today. The top court has said that Imran Khan will have to abide by the verdict given by the High Court. In court, Imran Khan gave shocking details of his arrest and claimed that he was beaten by security officials while in custody. He apologized to the court for the protests in the country and requested supporters to maintain peace.
इमरान खान उनके खिलाफ जो सारी कार्रवाई है उसको रिवर्स करके सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान ने कहा है कि नहीं रहे, ना पुलिस की कस्टडी में हैं, बल्कि वो चले गए इस वक्त सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की कस्टडी में। हाई कोर्ट में पेश होंगे और हाई कोर्ट की कार्रवाई वहीं से शुरू होगी जहां पे आके उनको अगवा किया गया था और आपने देखा अगवाकार कौन थे। तीसरा जो ऑर्डर है वो ये है कि इमरान खान अपने वकला और दोस्त उनमें से जिन लोगों को बुलाना चाहेंगे वो 10 या इससे कमोबेश लोग उनके साथ वहां जा सकते हैं।
My colleague Siddhant Mishra joins us with all the latest details. Very good morning to you, Siddhant. What is the situation in Islamabad currently? We know Pakistan was in turmoil, it was simmering. Is the situation better now?
Well, look, situation is not going to calm down anytime soon. Our protesters may stop protesting or coming on the roads, but the anger is going to remain for a long time. Reason is because there was already an existing anger against army, against the government, especially the way Imran Khan's government was brought down last year and he had to step down as the prime minister. So there was a lot of anger, and which is also backed by, multiple factors like inflation, price rise, unemployment, and economy is in bad shape. So that is perhaps acting as a catalyst in this entire campaign to free Imran Khan. Now, yesterday, Imran Khan did make multiple accusations, in fact, various accusations on the way he was treated. He was beaten up, he was being given slow poison. He made all sorts of accusations. And in fact, the court did take those accusations seriously. And this is perhaps the reason that despite allowing him to be free, court has asked him to be in Supreme Court's custody. So right now, Imran Khan is in court's custody. He is being given good treatment because court has intervened. And in fact, this morning he met the President of Pakistan. And President of Pakistan, Mr. Alvi, has already shown his support for Imran Khan. In fact, he has written to the government, to the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif regarding the treatment being given to Imran Khan and also the way he was arrested and manhandled by the Rangers. So all those things were also highlighted in the letter. So now these two institutions, Supreme Court and the President's office, is siding with Imran Khan. It's quite clear now. And this is perhaps the reason that there could be a possibility that Shehbaz Sharif government and the army can lose this battle, the battle which they started against Imran Khan. Because yesterday he got protection from the Supreme Court. Today, President is meeting him. So slowly and gradually, the Imran Khan's narrative is getting stronger in Pakistan, and this is also it. And it looks like that even the Janta, the PTI supporters, also want the same. So going by the narrative which is coming up in Pakistan, it looks like the days are going to be difficult for Shehbaz Sharif government and army in Pakistan. Back to you.
Right, absolutely, Siddhant. Now it looks like Imran Khan does have the upper hand when it comes to the battle in the court and when it comes to the battle of perception as well. In fact, we're also joined by Major General A.K. Siwach, defense expert this morning. Very good morning to you, sir. Sir, he will be produced at the IHC at 11 a.m. Imran Khan. How do you expect events to unfold then?
As far as High Court is concerned, there are chances that he may get some redressal. You see, the Supreme Court has already given some sort of a hint earlier, as far as High Court was concerned, it has taken an arrest of Imran Khan as legal. But Supreme Court had declared it illegal on two accounts. One is that he has been basically apprehended in a complex of the court, which is illegal. And second thing is that the agency which has arrested it is rangers, which are paramilitary, not the police. The only police has got a jurisdiction of executing the warrant. So these were the two issues which was taken by Supreme Court to consider it as illegal. Now let's see as to how High Court, which has earlier declared it legal, will take it. But all said and done, two, three things stand out now. The situation in Pakistan is going from bad to worse. There's a turmoil which is going. There's economic and financial unrest which was already there. There's total political instability. The PTI workers are still ransacking certain areas in Pakistan, whether it is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab, even in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir. So things have not stabilized. To me, it looks like that the first round has been won by Imran Khan. In the sense, the popularity of Imran Khan has gone much, much higher than what it was. He is playing a victim card. But how does the things unfold in time to come? One can't really predict it. But certainly the one who has taken the maximum beating as far as the reputation is concerned possibly is the Pakistan Army. The way the Pakistan Army has gone to its shelves and the way the people have come and damaged Corps Commander House in Peshawar as well as General Headquarters in Rawalpindi is never heard and seen in Pakistan. So therefore, this thing is very clear that the Pakistan Army is not united front. They are a divided house. There are two fronts which are occurring today. One is held by General Asim Munir, who is the chief, and the another one is General Fiaz Hamid, who used to be earlier DGSI, but he had a lot of following within Pakistan Army. So this is one cause of concern as far as Pakistan Army is concerned, that there are also rumors that the three Corps commanders, Corps Commander Peshawar, Kota and Lahore, has not taken orders in a correct spirit as far as General Asim Munir is concerned. And same way, the Naval Chief and Air Chief are also not on the same page. So overall, if you see it, the situation in Pakistan is still in flux. It is fluid. No one can say who's winning, who's losing. I suppose Pakistan is losing. And the way the things are going, it looks like that the common people are suffering maximum. Pakistan rupee has fallen down maximum. Yesterday it is now 300 rupees per dollar. And as far as the foreign reserve is dipped down to $1.7 billion. Cannot even look after the 10 days of their import. Investments are not there. Exports are nil. And therefore, to me, it looks like that Pakistan is heading for a civil war type situation.
Well, yes, indeed. So the way those events unfolded, we all saw them unfolding on the television. And sir, stay with us. We're also joined by defense expert Patikrit Pen right now. Very good morning to you, Patikrit. Now, we were just talking about the events taking place in Pakistan currently, the sort of social turmoil that is there, the rupee falling. It looks like everything is stacked up against the people of Pakistan, while there is relief coming in for Imran Khan on the other side.
Well, I think Pakistan is right now facing almost 5 to 6 times the types of crisis. There is an economic crisis, political crisis, security crisis. There is a perception crisis, and of course, there are strikes going on between different pillars of the government. So frankly speaking, all these are not happening in one day. It was in the offing for a long period of time, and it only happens this way when the army of any country has that kind of control and stranglehold on the entire democratic setup. What happened from the perspective of any country, it's unfortunate, but the release of Imran Khan is certainly not going to bring any kind of peace. Remember, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf is a failed project of the ISI, or the establishment of the Pakistan. And, and that's why, so because it failed, so they actually went back with the traditional political parties, ousted Imran Khan. And the arrest of Imran Khan, I compare it with what happened with Zulfikar Ali Bhutto in the 1970s. Army thought that they can do with Imran Khan what they did with Zulfikar Ali Bhutto.